back in Macedonia. First, I want to show you the video because we planned a trip to go take the E36 M3 and go back to Switzerland, but it didn't go as planned. So enjoy the video first, and then I'm going to explain what exactly happened, because after the crash we straight went to Switzerland and couldn't really film a lot, you know, about the accident we had. So enjoy the video. After the crash I'm going to explain how it exactly happened and where it happened. Right now we are on the way to the place we crashed the E36 M3.
So guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going on a trip to Albania and we are going to the airport with Ardit, Gezim and Mili.
Your attention please. For security reasons, we remind
Hey bro. This baby flashed east today.
So guys, we just arrived in Pristina. We just checked into the hotel, and yeah, the plan for the next 3 days is to take the E36 back home in Switzerland, and yeah, let's see how it goes. So guys, we just woke up, ate something. As you can see, we are tired. Billy looks tired because Drini was snoring the whole night. I can show you a clip now. And yes, we are going to Skopje, to my family, from there to Struga. And I mean, we're going to Struga because the E36 is there, staying some days there, and going from Struga to Albania, from Albania to Bari, and from Bari to Switzerland. So yeah, be excited.
So guys, we're going to Struga with Mili and Gezim, with this nice bus, huh? Brutal bus. And let's see if we're gonna die on this street or not. Oh yeah.
So guys,
We are excited, we are excited.
yeah, so we are on the way to get the E36 M3. Right now we're driving a Benz.
Bye.
What's unusual for us? No. Okay, so we went to my family, took the Benz. Now we're going to take the E36, drive for like 2 days, and leave to go back home in Switzerland. So we just picked the E36 M3, and just by driving about 5 to 10 minutes, it's absolutely insane. It looks also timeless. I mean, look at this. It's just a beautiful car. Let me show you the back. So I got the Z3M coupe. They got the same engine, but look at this. Tami nog normaal. Mili, look maar loser, man. Scheisse. We went for a test drive lost control and the unexpected thing happened. So guys, after the accident we couldn't really film anything and went straight back to Switzerland. So as you saw, we totally crashed the E36 M3, and yeah, we are on the way to the place we crashed the E36 M3. I'm going to explain you how the day went and how it exactly happened. So we just took the E36 M3 and wanted to go eat something in Struga, and we saw on Google everything was closed. We went to Ohrid, what's like 10 to 15 minutes away from Struga, to go eat something, and it was dark outside, I think at 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. and also the streets were wet. And at the moment it didn't rain, but at the day it was rainy. The tires were shitty, they were like 10 years old. In the crash was me, I was driving. Mili, Drini's brother, was on the passenger side and Drini was behind. And Mili went on Google Maps to check the restaurant, and he guided me to there, so he was like right, left. So that's exactly right now where we're going. It just came at like 90 degrees corner, and it was like, be careful, there is a dangerous corner coming to us. And it was too late. We were like 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, but I stamped on the brake, the car didn't react. I will switch right now the camera so you can see exactly where it happened. So just imagine it dark and wet outside. So we were driving like with 40 to 50, like now, yeah.
Yes.
Driving, and the lights were shitty, everything was bad, like worst condition. That's where I stamped on the brake, and we straight landed here, and that was the corner. Just imagine now, we were coming from this side, going the plan was going in Ohrid to eat something, and yeah, we came. Like I said, I know I've been mentioning it a lot, but the streets were wet, completely wet, shitty tires on. We came, I stamped on the brake because I didn't see the corner, and straight from the corner, the car had no reaction, didn't show no reaction, straight landed here. It's like 2 meters down. I don't know if you can see the trees. The trees there stopped us from being honest with you, landing in the lake, because if we have been fast, let's say we would have been 100 to 120 kilometers per hour, we were straight land to the lake there. But we were not driving that fast, just didn't see the corner, and yeah, that's where we landed. I'm 100% sure if I go there I can find some pieces from the E36 M3. And yeah, man, it's just crazy right now, because we really nearly died. Just look at it. Yeah, it was crazy, but we had God on our side. We were lucky, that's why nothing happened. But if we just drove a little faster, it could have been worse. But yeah, right now we are in Macedonia with the M3. The thing is, the E36 M3 is going to be fixed now in Tetovo. We're going to drive there and you're going to see how it looks. I hope the garage is open, because here in Macedonia they don't work Fridays. Usually they don't work Fridays. Yeah, so right now we are on the way there. And yeah, I'm going to show you how the E36 M3 looks. They are working on it, and the plan is that the E36 M3 is going to be done in like 2 to 3 months. and then we're going to make more videos with it.
Yes, guys, we are here back in the town, and yes, it looks not so good, but what is good? It's good to have still alive 3 person. That's the biggest luck we had, and yes, I can just sleep good because the 3 person, Gessin, Drini, and Mili, they are okay, and that's all I need. The car is not so good condition, but it comes better. It comes better alive. Comes better. Comes back stronger and better and louder and slammed on the ground with KW Gewindefahrwerk V3. And yes, but look at the fitment. Ooh, one thing is really good. The fitment is perfect. And yes, the rear end, it looks pretty fine. I'm fine with it. It looks good, but all I need was the 3 person back, and the car is still running. It's not a big problem, but I will fix it. The cars come back stronger, louder, more performance. I think the car pole position seats and a really good exhaust system. I think maybe Eisenman race or track exhaust, and yes, that's all okay. I can handle with it, and yes, I'm happy. And yes, guys, I think we had a little bit of work, and I think so I give the car 2 or 3 months, and then it comes back to Switzerland. And yes, mag het u gevaarlijk get fast, man.
So guys, the final words here with Ardit. Yeah, I just wanted to say why it took so long to upload this video. You know, after I crashed the E36, I didn't want to do YouTube anymore because, you know, I just crashed such an iconic car. But afterwards I talked with some people, and you know, people like my dad told me I should still post it. You know, the story needs to be heard, and people need to be warned that always something can happen. You need to be careful on the streets. Also, if you don't drive fast or don't do, you know, if you drive carefully, you know, everything can happen. And we want to get the E36 back on the street. People told us, you know, it's not worth to fix it because it's just going to be too expensive. And then I came with the idea that you guys can help me and support me with this project, like me and like me and Ardit.
Diddy party, yeah, man.
I mean, with you know, you guys can support me and Ardit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a t-shirt. It's going to be in the link in the bio. I mean, the link is going to be in the bio. You can see the crashed E36 M3, and the plan is, I mean, the project is, I can sell the t-shirt to you guys, and you know, if I get enough sales, so we can start repairing it and bring it back on the street. The E36 is still in Macedonia right now. I think we're going to start fixing it over there, just because it's cheaper, and then the rest Ardit is going to do in his garage. That's it. You know, I didn't want just to put a PayPal link in the bio and say, you know, send me money. I just wanted you guys to be also a part of the project. That's why I made the t-shirt. I think in the future we are going to make more t-shirts with different cars on it. And yeah, I don't know, Ardit, you have something left to say?
Yes, man. I just want to say that E36, it will be back, stronger, faster and louder. Yes, stay tuned.
And I forgot something. You know, let's say 2 months passes. I'm going to show you all the sales, how much money we made with the t-shirts. And you know, we're going to make more YouTube videos with the E36 M3. Let's say I don't know, let's say an amount of money. We're going to show you where we're going to spend it, what parts we're going to buy. Artie is going to make videos of him fixing the E36 M3. Yeah, also if it's only 10 t-shirts or 20, we're going to show you where we're going to spend the money on it. And yeah, that's it. Be part of the project, because we're going to make a lot of videos with the E36 M3. And yeah, thanks a lot, and peace out.
Peace, man.